Hi Kutis, this is Raji from Royal Group of Schools. I hope you all are being good and you are enjoying your holidays very much. I would like to thank all the children who are eagerly participated in our daily activities, and I thank the parents who are supporting us. Okay, before entering the subject, first I will tell some interesting facts to you. From that facts, you have to guess what subject we are going to take. Fact number 1. Curd should not be stored in a copper vessel. Curd should not be stored in a copper vessel because it causes food poisonous. So parents, please don't keep curd in a copper vessel. Fact number 2. Tigers have 6 times better night vision than human beings. Fact number 2. Tigers have 6 times better night vision than human beings. And fact number 3. Dogs can identify colors, but it can't differentiate red and green color. Dogs can identify colors, but it can't differentiate red and green color. So, from these facts, can you guess which subject these are all related to? Yes, today we are going to see about science. What is science? What do you know about science? Whenever we are hearing that questions, immediately we came to know science is a study of plants, birds, animals and etc. So, from these three, we are going to see one topic. Okay, what is it? That we are going to tell some clues. Okay, daily after you wake up, your mom give you 1 cup of milk. Do you drink that milk? Yes, daily morning our mom give you 1 cup of milk. That milk gives us more calcium and makes our bones strong. So that milk gives us more calcium and makes our bone strong. Did anyone think how we are getting that milk? Did anyone think? Yes, we are getting milk from cow. Very good. So we are getting milk from cow. So cow is under which category? Is it a bird? No. Is it a plant? No. Is it an animal? Yes, cow is an animal. So can you find today's topic? Yes, our topic is animals. So we are going to see about animals. What do you know about animals? What are the uses of animals? Animals are useful to us in many ways. They are useful to carry loads. They are useful for ploughing in agricultural field. They are giving us milk, egg, meat, everything to make us healthy. So for some special occasions, we are wearing silk cloths, no? We all are looking very gorgeous in that silk cloths. Is it? Yes. So that silk, where we are getting that silk? We are getting from silkworm. In winter season, what type of clothes we are wearing? Woolen clothes. Yes, right. Woolen. So where we are getting that woolen clothes? We are getting from sheep. Yes, we are getting from sheep. So these are also animals. So animal gives us clothes also. Like the way the animals are given us more benefit to human beings. Next thing we are going to see is animals are different types. So there are different types. What are they? Wild animals, domestic animals, pet animals. What are they? Wild animals, domestic animals and pet animals. Today we are going to see about wild animals. Wild animals. What is wild animals? Wild animals means where it will live? Yes, it lives in a forest. Okay. Wild animals are again categorized into 4 types. How many types? 4 types. What are they? Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and scavengers. What are they? Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and scavengers. First one, we'll take herbivores. What is herbivores? Okay, in our activity which eat only plants is called herbivores. Okay, next second thing, carnivores. What is carnivores? Did you hear that sound? Can you identify what sound is it? Yes, it's a roaring sound. Which animal will roar? Yeah, lion. The lion roars. The lion is the king of the forest. Very good. The lion is the king of the forest. We all see that Lion King movie, no? We all enjoy it, I think so. The Lion King. Okay, let me see. Come into the topic. So, lion. Can we have lion in your form? No. Can we feed anything to the lion? No. Then how they will take their food? For food, what they will do? So, for that, they are hunting other animals. What they do? They are hunting other animals. So, the animals which are hunting other animals and eat their flesh is called carnivores. Is it clear? Carnivores means that eat the flesh of other animals. It won't eat plants and grass and everything. It eats only the flesh of other animals. Then the third one is omnivores. What is omnivores? Okay, let me take me as an example. We are doing this as an example. What we are having as a food? Then we are having different items that are sambar, the vegetables, everything we are having. We are eating vegetable salad, fruit salad, all the vegetables, fruits, everything we are having. But what about a Sunday special? Yes, we are eating all the flying, running, those who are crawling, those who are swimming in water, everything we are eating. We didn't leave anything. That is a Sunday special. So we are eating both veg as well as non-veg. So when those who are eating plants as well as the flesh of animals are called as omnivores. So we are as an omnivore. Yes, we are eating both. So we are also an omnivore. The last thing we tell us scavengers. What is it? Scavengers. What is scavenger? Scavenger means that some lion, tiger, everything, they have their food and they leave the leftover part there itself. The scavengers will come and eat the leftover part. So they are like eagle, perch, crow, everything they are eaten the leftover part of the hunted animals. So that animals is called as scavengers. Now are you clear with this four? What are the four types of wild animals, Lisa? Herbivore, carnivore, omnivore and scavenger. What is herbivore? Yes, plant-eating animals. Carnivore? Yes, very good. Flesh of, that is eating flesh of other animals. Next one is omnivore. What is omnivore? Very good. That eats both plants as well as the flesh of other animals. Scavengers means that eats the leftover part. That's it. Are you clear with this? Yeah, very good. Now, here there are some pictures. You have to identify which one is a herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. The first one, what is the first one? Yes, it is a goat.